Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from Robinhood to Coinbase in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process might have some updates, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently and securely. Whether you're diversifying your holdings or just moving assets around, this is a skill every trader should have. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Coinbase, and that your TRX is in your Robinhood wallet. Start by logging into your Robinhood app or website. Once you're in, head over to the Crypto or Wallet section. This is where you'll see all your digital assets, including your TRX balance. Next, select your TRX holdings. Look for an option like Withdraw or Send. It might be under a menu icon or directly on the asset page. By 2025, Robinhood could have enhanced interfaces, so keep an eye out for any new features, like integrated wallet checks for security. Now, enter the destination. That's your Coinbase wallet address. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. It's a string of letters and numbers, so copy it accurately from your Coinbase account. You'll also need to specify the amount of TRX you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees involved, especially on the Tron blockchain, so factor that into your decision. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll probably need to verify it with your Robinhood security settings, like a PIN or two-factor authentication. After that, sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Head over to your Coinbase account to confirm the deposit. Once it shows up, you're all set. Always keep an eye on transaction statuses and consider using tools for tracking. Pro tip: in 2025, blockchain tech might be even faster, but never rush, security first. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy out there.